Good afternoon to everyone. I am Ratish, studying 8th standard. I am there in front of you with a new topic, karma is boomerang. There is no good thing which is not recorded. There is no evil thing which is not punished. Mouth can lie, eyes cannot. People will forget, karma will not. Because karma is definitely a boomerang. In Hinduism and Buddhism, it is believed karma is result of good or bad energy that a person put out into the world, and what they will review in return is their karma. It is suitable code that the Lord uses to register your good and bad action. Good or bad, what you put out into the universe will also be served to you. If good is so, the good is collected. Karma is no menu. You get served what you deserve. Do not believe in luck, only believe God and karma, because karma will help you to get attention of God and will help luck to stuck by your side. Karma says when somebody is not right for you, God will continuously use them to hurt you until you are strong enough to let them go. In order to get what you want, you have to be worthy of those things. Is the concept of what you reap, you sow. There are three types of karma. They are Pradapta, Sansita, Agami. Pradapta, it is experienced through the present body. Second one, Sansita, it is sum of one's past karma. Last one, Agami, it is result of correct decision and action. There is an example in science for karma. It is Isaac Newton's third law. What is Newton's third law? For every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. Whenever you are doing work honestly, response will come positively. There are some sayings of Swami Vivekananda about karma. If you do harm to somebody, that harm stay on your head and wait for proper time, and it will give equal batting to you. In same way, if you do good to others, that good will stay on your head and wait for proper time, and it will give more than equal good to you. Thus, think good thoughts, say nice things, do good to others, everything comes back. Be yourself and enjoy yourself. Show me a smile and I will show on you back. Thank you.